Hey friends, if you wish to fix application error, a client-side exception in browser on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to simply update the browser. Let's say we were using Microsoft Edge. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select Help and Feedback and then click on About Microsoft Edge. Let it update itself to the latest version and then it would be mentioned here that the browser is up to date. The next solution is to clear the cache and cookies. And how would you do that? So on the same browser, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol and then click on clear now. The next solution is to disable browser extensions. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, select manage extensions. First of all, disable the first extension and then remove it if it helps, and then you can follow on with other extensions. And finally, if everything else fails, then you can consider resetting the browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select this option for settings and then go to reset settings, restore settings to the default value and then reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.